Writing a product requirement document from scratch takes weeks. What if you could skip all that? Introducing the Cloud Office App PRD for Axure RP. A complete product requirement document covering every module of a Cloud Office application. 569 pages of detailed specs, user flows, and interaction logic. From user flows and functional specs to interface guidelines and interaction logic. Every detail is documented: login, workbench, cloud documents, video meetings, schedule management, and more. Save weeks of requirement writing. Align your entire team, designers, developers, and testers, with one comprehensive document. Deliver faster and with fewer misunderstandings. Get the Cloud Office App PRD today for just $189. Visit AxureBoutique.com, link in the description.